What's up guys, today we're here with Corné with his nice little Hilux here, and we're sitting inside the Hilux today because, as always, our luck is when we want to film the wind is a problem. So rather to get a better audio quality for you guys, we'll rather sit inside the bakkie than showing. I got some nice shots that I will put inside the video where you guys can see all the nice craftsmanship that went into the bakkie. But yeah, so Corné, why don't you introduce yourself to our viewers and tell us a little bit more what you've done to your bakkie?
Hello guys, I'm Corné. I drive a 2012 model Toyota Hilux D4D, 3 liter D4D, and
you've done quite a lot to it, huh?
yeah, not actually.
It's a money pit, this.
Yeah, all the small things adds up.
Yeah. So Corné, what have you done motor-wise now?
Not much. It's just, the list is very small. I've done a front mount cooler, 76 stainless steel boost pipes, 76 downpipe, exhaust right through, and hybrid turbo upgrade.
And this is obviously a straight piped Hilux.
Yes.
Okay Corné, so I see you've got some nice stainless steel work done to the bakkie. Who did it for you?
Autobeat in Mailton, Tian. His name is Tian. He does all this fabrication on the bakkie. It's the nudge bar, the custom stainless steel snorkel, exhaust pipes, boost pipes, fitment of all the upgrades as well.
Is it? And the turbo, it's a hybrid turbo, right?
Yes.
Okay. Where did you do that? Somewhere in Joburg?
The place is in Nigel, Africa Turbo.
Okay. Today you also got some nice stereo equipment here for the bakkie, just to give it a little bit of more of a Joel vibe, because that's who you are. Is a keiergat.
Yeah.
But I see you got some nice boost gauges here as well as the EGT gauge.
That's not working currently at the moment, but boost gauge,
How much does the bakkie boost?
1.5.
Okay, that's quite high, huh? What do they usually do stock? I don't actually know what they do.
0.8, 0.9.
Okay, so you cranked
So
up the boost quite a bit.
Almost double.
And it's Hendrik, right, that did the software
Yes,
for you?
at Eagle Eye Vol, Eagle Eye International, HM Auto. You can contact any of those guys to help you out there.
Is it, but who's your preferred tuner who works on your bakkie software-wise?
Hendrik, one of my friends that is Eagle Eye Vol, he does all the software-wise stuff.
Okay, and power figures, what do you currently do on the new hybrid?
175 and 614 newtons on the wheels.
That's no slouch, eh? That's quite quick. And I see you also have the leveling kit in and some slotted brakes.
Yeah, for everything like this you need brakes.
Definitely, eh?
On high speeds. And I've only done leveling spacers at the front. It's a 25mm stainless spacer, and that just to level it out. Basically everything.
Corné, do you want to give anyone a shout out for all the help they've done on the bakkie, or people that helps you?
Basically it's Autobeat for all their work they've done for me, and then Hendrik at Eagle Eye Vol.
Okay. And thank you for Corné for all your effort for driving through today so we can feature your little bakkie and making it dirty. But it's
always dirty.
It's a bakkie, man. It doesn't need to be clean. It doesn't have to be like my Polo. My Polo needs to shine 24/7. Otherwise people think I'm a slouch.
It has to be dirty.
Yeah, if your bakkie is not dirty, you're not having fun, eh?
It's true. It's true.
But thank you Corné for your time, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.